Good morning, friends. Myself Jatin Dave from Asapura School, and welcome all of you once again. Dear students, today we are going to discuss and the solution from exercise number 13.1, chapter 13, direct and inverse proportion. तो शुरू करते हैं 13.1 एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन के साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो कि आपके स्क्रीन पर है. Following are the car parking charges near the railway station up to 4 hours 60 rupees, 8 hours 100 rupees, 12 hours 140 and 24 hours rupees 180. Check if the parking charges are in the direct proportion to the parking time. Now answer is a table of the given information is formed as number of hours 4, 8, 12 and 24 respectively, and parking charges in rupees 60, 100, 140 and 180 respectively. The ratio of parking charges to the respective number of hours, that means rupees by hours, can be calculated as 60 by 4 equal to 15, 100 by 8 equal to 25 by 2, 140 by 12 equal to 35 by 3, and 180 by 24 is equal to 15 by 2. As each ratio is not same, therefore the parking charges are not in a direct proportion to the parking time. Okay, question number 2, now it's on your screen. A mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of a red pigment with 8 part of base. In the following table, find the parts of the base that need to be added. Part of red pigment 1, 4, 7, 12, 20 and parts of base 8 dash 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 dash. The given mixture of a painting is prepared by mixing 1 part of the red pigment with 8 part of the base. So more part of red pigments, the parts of the base will also be more. Therefore, the parts of the red pigment and the parts of the base are in the direct proportion, and given information in the form of the table as follows. Parts of the red pigments is respectively 1, 4, 7, 12 and 20, and parts of base is 8, x1, x2, x3 and x4. Now, according to the direct proportion, x1 upon 4 is equal to 8 by 1. Therefore, x1 is equal to 4 multiply 8 is equal to 32. Next, x2 by 7 is equal to 8 by 1. Therefore, x2 is equal to 7 multiply 8 is equal to 56. x3 upon 12 is equal to 8 by 1. Therefore, x3 is equal to 8 multiply 12 is equal to 96. And x4 by 20 is equal to 8 by 1. Therefore, x4 is equal to 8 multiply 20 is equal to 160. So, table can be drawn as follows. Part of the pigment 1, 4, 7, 12, 20 respectively, and parts of the base is respectively 8, 32, 56, 96 and 160. Now one more question is on your screen. Question number 3. In question number 2, above, if one part of the red pigment requires 75 ml of base, how much red pigment should be mixed with 1800 milliliter of base? So let the part of the lead pigment required to mix with 1800 milliliter of base be X. The given information in the form of the table is as follows. Parts of the red pigment is 1 and X respectively. Parts of the base in milliliter 75 and 1800 ml respectively. The parts of the red pigment and the parts of the base are in a direct proportion, and therefore we obtain 1 by 75 is equal to x by 1800. Therefore x is equal to 1 multiplied by 1800 divided by 75, and finally we get x is equal to 24. Thus 24 parts of the red pigment should be mixed with 1000 sorry 1800 milliliter of base. Now it's on your screen. Question number 4. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it be filled in 5 hours? So let the number of bottle filled by the machine in 5 hours be x, and the given information in the form of the table as follows. Number of bottles is 840 and x respectively, and time taken in hours 6 and 5 respectively. The number of bottles and the time taken to be filled these bottles are in a direct proportion, and therefore we obtain 840 divided by 6 equal to x by 5. Therefore x is equal to 840 multiply 5 by 6, and finally we get 700. Thus the 700 bottles will be filled in 5 hours. One more question is on your screen. Question number 5. A photograph of the bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm. What is the actual length of the bacteria? If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be its enlarged length? So let the actual length of the bacteria be x centimeter and the enlarged length of the bacteria y centimeter. If the photograph is enlarged for 20,000 times, the given information in the form of the table is as follows. Length of the bacteria in centimeter 5, x and y respectively, and number of the times photographs of a bacteria was enlarged 50,000, 1 and 20,000. The number of the times of the photograph of bacteria was enlarged and the length of the bacteria are in a direct proportion. So therefore we obtain 5 divided by 50,000 is equal to x divided by 1, and by using the cross multiplication we get x is equal to 1 by 10,000. Therefore x is equal to 10 raised to minus 4. Hence the actual length of the bacteria is 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. So let the length of the bacteria when the photograph of bacteria is enlarged 20,000 times be y. So therefore 5 divided by 50,000 is equal to y divided by 20,000. Therefore y is equal to 20,000 multiply 5 upon 50,000, and simplify this we get 2. Hence the enlarged length of the bacteria is 2 centimeter. Enlarged length of bacteria is 2 centimeter. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में यहीं पर हम रुकेंगे, इस उम्मीद के साथ कि जो 5 क्वेश्चंस 13.1 एक्सरसाइज से हमने आपके साथ डिस्कस किए, आपके सामने डिस्क्राइब किए, ये पांचों क्वेश्चन आप होमवर्क नोट में प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे। इस उम्मीद के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर से दोबारा कंटिन्यू करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 13.1 को क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से। तब तक के लिए आज्ञा दीजिए। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। बाय बाय।